Do you really need a custom domain for system.io email marketing, or you can just use the system.io default domain? This is one of the questions beginner ask when they start using system.io. And it can feel confusing. Kaya naman sa video na ito ay pag-usapan natin ang email marketing with system.io. And I'm going to make it super simple para mas maintindihan siya ng mga beginners. Also, I will explain what a custom domain is, whether you actually need one or not, the pros and cons of having a custom domain, and I will share my personal recommendations so you know exactly what to do next. Alright? Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Gomera, the founder of Rose Gomera Digital Solutions. So if this is your first time in my YouTube channel, well, on this channel, I talk about website, funnels, digital product business, and if you like those topics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Alright, let's dive into our topic for this video. So first, let's talk about how email marketing works inside System.io. Well, eventually guys, System.io gives you everything that you need to send an emails like a campaign and a newsletter and even automations. So lahat ng yun ay makukuha mo inside System.io. And the good news is you can do all of this even on their free plan. So kahit na hindi ka pa mag-upgrade sa kanilang startup plan, ay pwede mo nang magamit yung email marketing nila. When you sign up in system.io, they give you a free subdomain. Something like rosegomera.system.io. So which means na nakiride lang tayo kay System.io or nakirenta lang tayo ng space kay System.io. Years ago, ay pwede ka pang makapag-send ng emails using the subdomain System.io, yung kanilang default na domain. Kaya if napanood nyo po yung mga previous videos ko about email marketing na tutorial inside System.io, doon ay pinakita ko sa inyo na hindi mo kailangan bumili ng custom domain, right? Para makapag-send ka ng emails. Well, those video were made bago pa yung changes inside System.io. Now, what exactly is a custom domain? A custom domain is basically your own website name, like yourbusiness.com. Or for me, I www.rosegomera.com, which means you have your own website name instead of using System.io default link. So, yung rosegomera.system.io ay mapapalitan ko na siya ng rosegomera.com. So, instead of sending emails from something like rosegomera.system.io, you could send from hello@yourbusiness.com. So, in my case, instead of using rosegomera@system.io, ay pwede na akong mag-send ng emails using my professional email, which is the support.rosegomera.com. As you can see the difference, mas professional kasi siyang tingnan kung meron kang sariling custom domain and professional email. And now, here's the big question. Do you really need a custom domain to do an email marketing with System.io? The short answer is yes. You really need a custom domain para magamit mo yung email marketing System.io. Kasi yung bagong update nila guys, hindi ka na makapag-send or hindi ka na makapag-set up ng email campaign mo or yung newsletter mo kung hindi mo pa na-integrate yung professional email mo kay System.io. Kasi guys, bago mo ma-authenticate yung professional email mo kay System.io, ay dapat naka-integrate muna yung custom domain mo kay System.io. So if you are looking at tutorial on how to integrate your custom domain in System.io, I already have a video tutorial on that. You can check in the description below. And also, kung bibili ka ng professional email mo sa mga software like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and among others, ay kailangan mo muna ng custom domain. So basically, bibili ka muna ng custom domain bago ka bibili ng professional email. If you gonna ask me, saan ba ako bumili ng aking custom domain and professional email? ang recommendation ko talaga ay sa Namecheap. Hindi lang sa mura yung mga custom domain nila doon, but also nagustuhan ko din yung kanilang customer support. So if may mga questions ka and clarifications, ay matutulungan ka nila agad-agad through their chat, okay? So dito naman tayo sa pros and cons of having a custom domain and professional email. Isa sa mga pros kasi kung meron kang custom domain is that your website looks professional or even your funnels looks professional. You build trust with your subscribers and your emails are less likely to go to the spam folder. And this is one of the reason kung bakit binago ni system na tayo yung policy nila when it comes to sending emails to your subscribers na dapat naka-professional email ka para ma-avoid na yung mga emails mo ay mapupunta doon sa spam folder ng iyong mga subscribers. And the cons is that kailangan mo mag-invest sa custom domain and professional email. Based on my experience guys, since yung provider ko is si Namecheap, more or less every year, I have to spend na sa mga 2,000 for the custom domain and professional email. And also, if hindi ka techie na person, it takes up time para ma-integrate mo yung custom domain mo and yung professional email mo kay system.io. But if you really want to build your authority, build trust with your audience and subscribers, and also magiging professional yung website mo, I highly recommend na mag-invest ka talaga ng custom domain and professional email. So here is my personal recommendation. So if you are brand new or nag-start ka pa lang talaga, then just go with the free subdomain in system.io. If you just want to try on how to build funnels, how to create website in system.io, then you don't need to buy a custom domain and professional email. Don't complicate things. Then, once you're serious about growing your business and building your brand, and building your authority, that's the perfect time to upgrade into a custom domain and a professional email. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your business. So, do you really need a custom domain for system.io email marketing? Definitely, the answer is yes, you need to get one. And if you want to learn on how to build your first low-ticket funnel for your digital product business, if you want to learn how to integrate custom domain and professional email in system.io, then I inviting you to join the 7-day Freedompreneur Challenge where you can learn all of this. So if you want to know more, just check the link in the description of this video and then makikita mo dyan yung link for the 7 days challenge. Alright, I hope that you get value from this video. And if you want to learn more about system.io tutorials, then you can click on this video. And I will see you on that video.